I made $20,000 yesterday and I ain't even jump up out the bed. Bag a leg, take a rent until he got the bed, walking like I'm Fred. Bonnie Rubble riding in the bubble, but it's stolen, watching for the feds. Made $20,000 yesterday, little boy, you heard what I said. You came in and rockin' the
It's the dark skin Savage Martin. We back again, y'all already know. Always with a banger, man. But before we give them this banger, what they got to do? They gotta subscribe, like, and comment down below. Just do. Sure.
Forget the post notification bell, you gotta hit it.
Yes, sir.
Now hit the post notification bell to be notified every single time we upload. But listen, y'all, we haven't partnered up with Cameo, but we have. Check us out with Cameo at the Dark Skin Savers, where you can get personalized shout videos from us for a fee. Also, guys, we do have new merch link down below, so check it out, bro. We have no Instagrams popping up; they're gonna be popping down.
Yeah, right now. Not right now. I said later. But anyway, bro, we got When You Mess Up on Hell's Kitchen. So, shit. By your boy, it's your motherfucking Lava. Anyway, bro. Let's get into it, bro. It's a short video, so let's do it.
Is your peanut butter jelly sandwich, sir?
I don't really watch Hell's Kitchen like that.
Thank you. You're welcome. And you're gonna love it. Hope so. This nigga gonna be trying to scare me. Look, and it's not working. I know my peanut butter jelly sandwiches are good. I do it. I make them every night. I know 100% he gonna like it.
You probably use the waffle.
Looks good. Let's see how it tastes.
You African?
It looks like
It is strong.
I can't believe this. This is so fucking disgusting.
That's how
You're a fucking chef. You can bring a fucking peanut butter jelly sandwich. A simple peanut butter jelly sandwich. Who are you?
nigga sound like Richie, bro. That's the thing, like, but how bad can a peanut butter jelly sandwich really be?
No, it's peanut butter.
Oh yeah, that is true. But
it's always bad to me.
But imagine just a jelly sandwich, bro. Come on, like, bro, how bad can that shit really be, bro?
I don't know.
I ain't okay, we gotta cop more of them shits, bro. Costco, bro. But it's crazy, man, cause like basically what I'm trying to say is like, nigga, it be like the easiest shit ever. Nigga tell you this shit trash. Like, nigga, what the fuck you want to? What else can you do to a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, bro? Like,
This man threw my food on the ground. He took my food and he threw it on the ground. Yo, this wasn't Gordon Ramsay. Sorry, sir. I honestly thought it was good. You thought that was good? There's too much peanut butter. Are you trying to kill me? No, sir. I wasn't trying to do anything. Bro, are you trying to make me choke to death? And then you serve it on a plastic plate. The plate's not even clean. There's peanut butter everywhere. Get the grip. Grip, sir. Look, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. I made a mistake for even giving you a chance.
I knew it, bro.
Give me a fucking jacket.
I knew it.
That nigga be that roof, right?
Yes, bro. That's how he is.
That nigga's like that, bro. You don't watch it. I don't watch it, bro.
The little kids, bro, this man's just torture. You ever seen the little shot?
Yes, bro.
Bro, he is torture, bro.
Imagine baking a cake and like, dude just goes off on you. It doesn't have enough sugar. What you trying to do, sir?
Bro, in the process of you making shit, the nigga's already flinging your ass, bro. But the thing is, like, bro, that's his taste buds, though, bro. Somebody else might smack that, bro.
That's the king of the chef.
But nah, that nigga, he a chef, bro.
Yeah,
like, I don't even see me going into his kitchen, though. What he be making, bro? He got the love rice, bro.
Well, he got a kitchen.
His mom doesn't like his food.
His mom don't like his food?
His mom is just like him.
What his chicken taste like, bro? Y'all ever ate that, bro? I've never ate, bro. Maybe we should eat that one day, bro. Do that for a video, bro. Okay. Go to Ramsay.
That's an expensive video.
That mean, shit expensive?
Yeah.
Look at shit tastes better than this.
Damn. You said the shit tastes better?
First this man throw my food. Now he's demanding my jacket. I'ma smack this shit out of you. Alright, girl, you get out of line now. I've been very polite to you, but you keep disrespecting me.
Wait,
now
nobody talk back to this shit out of you. People do.
Put your hands up. Are you threatening me? I'll sue you. Give me my fucking jacket. You right?
I'll sue you. But the nigga hit you with that, bro.
Exactly. I want that. No, you don't. Can't even make a fucking peanut butter jelly sandwich. Bro, I'm gonna make one and smack you with it. Stop. You can't even make one. Bro, oh my God, shut the fuck up.
Alright, so he's got, I don't know if he's African or not, but he probably moves out. He probably moved, he is?
Yeah, I mean, you can tell that his accent.
I mean, he black, so bro, most black people is African, but I'm saying, like, I don't know if his nationality.
It sounds like a Richie nigga, bro.
He probably like from Ghana or some shit.
Yeah, that's
he got that Ghana face, yeah.
Let me tell you, I was thinking about this sandwich that was smack, bro, alright? Now, hear me out, man. I can't eat peanut butter, but I know this was smack.
What?
A French toast, peanut butter, and jelly sandwich.
French toast, peanut butter. Oh, like you just toast the bread, right? French toast.
French toast is a whole different type of toast.
Yeah. You ever had a French toast?
It got like the cinnamon egg on it.
Oh, okay, yeah. The one from IHOP?
Yeah.
You said French toast,
peanut butter and jelly.
Shit.
That don't sound like a hit, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's why it's a little too sweet, right?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think too sweet, but
It'd be
yeah, too much oil,
bro. It'd be crack sweet, bro.
Did you smack it with syrup, bro?
Oh yeah, you got to. It's French toast, baby.
Extra, bro. Oh man,
that's
extra
gotta
sweet.
That's
The jelly gotta be the syrup.
But hear what I'm saying? You only can eat that meal every once in a while.
But look, man, that'll be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more content like this. You know what I'm saying? We'll get straight right into it. Please don't forget to
like, share, subscribe if you're new.
God loves you.
God bless you.
And Weezy out here.